Have you ever felt embarrassed about your toenails? Heavy yellow nails can really hurt your confidence. You're not alone, and there's hope. Meet Kerassentials, a natural antifungal product people are raving about. This gentle yet powerful oil has helped over 45,000 people achieve clear, healthy nails. Forget prescriptions and harsh creams. Developed by Dr. Kimberly Langden, a fungal specialist. Kerassentials is all-natural and incredibly effective. It destroys stubborn nail fungus at the root. It restores nail clarity and smooth skin. Plus, it protects against future outbreaks. Imagine no more burning or flaking. Just a refreshing scent and amazing results. What makes Kerassentials unique? Unlike typical creams, it penetrates deeply. It doesn't merely mask the issue, it erases it. From chronic athlete's foot to cracked heels, Kerassentials is your go-to solution. And it's 100% plant-based, cruelty-free, and made right here in the USA. If you're tired of hiding your feet and feel like you're out of options, this is your sign. Don't miss out on the viral product of 2025. Click fitfufusion.com and check out my blog to learn more and step into beautiful, fungus-free feet today.